In this video, I'm gonna show you how to automatically post multiple reels on multiple fan page just by some clicks. So now let's get to the point. Okay, so look at the screen right now. Today we will go to the video posting function and we have a lot of options. If you want to post multi videos on TikTok, you will choose it. And today we will post reels fan page. Okay, so first of all, we go to the general configuration. The distance between the two actions from 15 to 3 transfers account if consecutive. Repeat the action if you want or not. Okay, and you can repeat after completion about 5 times or time between two words from time to time. Okay, if you want to repeat the action in this video, I will not choose it. About the configuration of the video reels fan page, each account page channel posts 5 reels, 5 or 10 reels. 10 video to 20 videos. Okay, tag in the video if you want. Okay, if you want to tag your friends, just choose from the list. Okay, and you enter the ID of the Facebook UID of your friends here and save. Okay, and interaction after posting. What does it mean? It means that when the reels are updated, you guys can leave an interaction or the comments. For example, if you want the likes or you want the heart, okay, and you can also leave a comment below the videos, the reels, and you should enter the content right here with the spin structure, okay, content one and content two. And so on a lot. Okay, and save. About the video configuration, for example, for your account, you post a random video or you post in order, ignore the video successfully posted. It means that when one video successfully posted, it will be deleted from the list of the video. Allow video posting or delete video after posting. And about the video configuration, firstly you select the folder which has a lot of videos. Okay, for example, I have this folder. Okay, the shots. All the videos from the folder was uploaded over here, and it is some fields like image, video, hashtags, post title, content, and you should save. For example, wait, if you want to enter the hashtags according to the video available, or you enter the new hashtag, you should write it down right here, like entertainment, whatever. Okay, about the video description, you guys can also upload the content right here for each video. Okay, or you guys can use the AI to create description, just like give it some suggestion. Okay, and of course you have to select which one do you want to add the content or use the AI to create description. Okay, and you're gonna save. And for example, if you don't want the general configuration for all accounts, you can use the private configuration. Okay, and you save. Okay, and after save, you choose the account to run. This is one fan page. Okay, so if you have a lot of fan page, you guys stick to choose all and begin, and it will automatically post multiple reels videos to multiple fan base and you choose. Okay, easy, right? And that's all about our video today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorial every week. Thank you and see you in the next video.